Hey everyone, welcome to another ALEKS tutorial. In this one we're going to be learning about interpreting the electron configuration of an atom, specifically the electron configuration that's in noble gas notation. So all that means is that if we've got, if we have, let's take magnesium for instance. Instead of writing out magnesium's entire electron configuration starting from 1s and etc., we can write neon in front of it and then just write whatever comes after neon to get magnesium. And so it's a shorthand notation, because imagine how time-consuming it would be to write out the electron configuration of something like platinum, which has 78 electrons. It would take quite a while. So it would be easier to write xenon and then everything after xenon. So let's take a look at this problem. So in this one, I've put the electron configuration or the periodic table entry for the noble gas that we're using in this one. So here we have an atomic anion with a charge of -1. That's important. And it has the electron configuration of argon plus 4s2, 3d10, and 4p6. So for now, let's just treat this as if it were a neutral atom and see how many electrons we have. So argon has an atomic number of 18, so this is 18 electrons. We're told we have 2 electrons in the 4s orbital. We have 10 electrons in the 3d orbital, and we have 6 electrons in the 4p orbital. So 18 plus 2 plus 10 plus 6 is equal to 36. So 36 electrons is how many electrons this element has. However, it has a -1 charge, which means that this has 1 additional electron compared to its neutral state. So if it has 36 electrons, then the number of protons it has is going to be 1 less, -1, and that gives you 35 protons. So in its neutral state, it has 35 electrons and 35 protons. But when it has a charge of -1, it has 1 additional electron, so it has 36 electrons, but the number of protons never changes for an element. The number of neutrons can change, which would give you, an isotope, but the number of protons will never change. So what is the chemical symbol for the ion? Well, it's whatever has 35 as its atomic number. So if we look at the periodic table, we can see bromine is our element. So bromine, but we're not done. because a chemical symbol also includes the charge of the ion. So this is Br minus. How many electrons does the ion have? 36. We calculated it right here. It has 36 electrons. And how many p electrons are in the ion? Or 4p, electrons are in the ion. It's given to you right here. So 4p, 6. There are 6 electrons in the 4p energy level. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.